Welcome to Tree Beginnings Eco Favors. Today we're going to show you how to assemble our seeds in eco boxes. Our brown eco boxes are made from 100% recycled paper. You turn it upside down, 2 flaps go in, and the other 2 fit into the holes. Flip it back right side up, open up the top. You take your terracotta clay pot, place it in the box. Then you take your soil pellet, this is your expandable one, place it in the bottom with your seed. This particular seed packet is blue spruce. Close the sides and the top, folds in, box is done. Next we need our raffia ribbon. We need 2 strands that are 1 yard long each. They need to be cut. I usually try and half it like this before I wrap it. Starting at the top, around the top to the bottom, flip it over, then twist it at the bottom, and you're bringing it back along the other sides. Then tie. Tie a knot so it's nice and secure. These are available in a wide variety of ribbon colors and a wide variety of flower, herb, or tree seeds. This happens to be a tree seed. See, there's a little tree on the front and it's personalized. On the back there's a thank you message. On the inside are the growing instructions. We recommend you store your seed in your refrigerator until 5 days before your event and then assemble. For seed in Eco Box kits, we have a choice of 5 flower seeds, 4 herb seeds, and 6 tree seeds. The box is 3 inches by 3 inches square. Now you see how easy and fast the seed kit favors can go together.